Hi, it's Liam again, and today we're going to learn how to tie this knot right here, this one. It's called the Windsor knot. This one's the biggest, baddest, most pinkies uppest knot that we can do. It's like the granddaddy knot. Let's get to it. First things first, as always, when you're putting a tie on, you should pop your collar. Mine's already done because I was really prepared for this. And then you're going to grab a sick tie. This is one of our original prints, one of the Martha's Vineyard signs tie. And then the next thing is, like we've always done, we're going to find a balance between the lengths. So the narrower end is going to be really, really short on this one because there are a lot of steps to this, and you're going to use a lot of this end. When you're ready, cross the wide end over the narrow end. Bring the wide end through the loop between your collar and the beading of tie knot. Pull that end to the front and to the same side you started on, then wrap it around the back of your knot to the other side. Bring it around to the front and then down through the area between your tie and your collar. The wide end is now back on the side that you just pulled it to. And you have one step left. You just have to bring this wide end back around the front, pull it to the back, pull it through between your collar and that knot, and then through the loop that you just made. Right after that, all you gotta do is tighten it. Make sure that the knot covers that top button. All you gotta do is just adjust this little sucker here and bang, you're done. You're gonna make sure that your tie is like just about where it is, a little bit covering the belt. And there you have it, the Windsor knot, fit for royalty. Thanks again for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it or comment below, subscribe to our channel. Please let us know if you have any other helpful hints, tips, tricks, whatever, or if you didn't really like my hair. Also, check out this playlist right here if you want to learn how to tie more tie knots. And remember, every day should feel this good.